No, I said it, no, I said it before. You like the party. You wanna party like your best friends go on vacation. Throwing your money like a little piece. Yo, 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 yo! How's it going, guys? Um, dude, I've been struggling, bro. Like the last few days, I haven't been able to sleep correctly. Uh, I don't know why. I have some thoughts of how it could be, but like, I don't know. But hey, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Wednesday. Tonight's little Wednesday is it's the middle of the week. Almost done with the week. You know how it is. There's some music on. So where we last left off, we had a couple of things. So I gotta update the update. I gotta put the food in. Let's see. Give me one sec, guys. I'm gonna put my burrito in. Okay, fire. Fire. Sickle mode. Give me a second. Okay. Hello. All right, guys, we're back in business. Okay, I'm officially ready to go. 15 minutes are on the clock right now for the burrito. We're looking good. I'll get my food later. But yeah, let's get this shit started, bro. So right now, guys, pretty much everything's looking really good. I'm pretty happy to say that for the most part, we're looking kind of fire when it comes to the game. We have bananas working, so that means we have our first special marble working, which is really cool. It's great looks, honestly. From that point now, I think we're in a position where we can either work on maybe little technical stuff. So what I mean by that is like, let's say, for example, every time that the person fights an enemy, the enemy stays with the same amount of marbles. And I think it'd be cool if maybe they get 2 more marbles every game or 4 more marbles. Or maybe they get, let's see, like, you know, something where they are also getting buffed in a way. So it'll be easier for them to, or not easier, but more like a fight, you know, like, I think it won't be a fair fight if you just start pushing and putting like a bunch of different marbles, sorry, no marbles at all on their side, and then you are just like stacked with a bunch of marbles on your side. So one of the things that I think we can kind of work on, and you know what, let me just write this notepad in there. So let's see, things to do. Every time that you feel like you have a lot of stuff to do, but you don't know what to do, please make a notepad. That's like the best tip I can give you. So things to do. We have, I don't know why this is up. Okay, cool. Things to do. Add marbles between games for your CPU. There is come up with more marble ideas and implement. That is completely true. What else? What else? Let's kind of play through the game. Let's see. So, right off the bat, first of all, we fixed it like a couple of days ago, but man, I'm so happy that this is running at 2,613 frames and 3,000 and stuff. We have the money indicator up here, and we have the marbles indicator here to show your storage. Oh, dude. I know exactly what's another thing we could work on. Currently in the shop, we are not able to remove marbles from deck. So that's something I think we should definitely do, for sure. I might need to kind of like maybe think about that a little more, but we can do that. So let's kind of play through and let's see. So right now, easiest fucking tool in my life. I take this shit, I robbed it, bro. I go into the marble's house, take all of his money. Let's rip this for. Okay, perfect. He has no opportunity to steal any of my shit. I'm gonna go into this 6 right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's perfect. Ah, he moved it. What a doofus, bro. You know what I'm saying? What a doofus. Let me go over here. Put that thing here. Go again. Oh, this guy's so smart, man. I'm gonna take his 3 though. Shit, he takes this, I lose. Dude, this computer is so good, bro. He's so good, and then sometimes he just throws 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. 4 here, so I can take this. I got a 1. I got a 2. I got a 1. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I go like this. Take the 2, but I keep a 2 here. We can buff it up for next time. I got a 3. I can buff up the 3 here. Pause. Oh, because there was 4. I didn't have that many. Okay, that was a glitch. That was a super glitch. I gotta figure that out. Let's go 1 here. Let's go 3 here. Let's go 1 here, and then let's go a 2 here so we can set this up real good style. 2 here. 1. And let's do 1 here. There we go. Score 16. So there's one thing I do want to make sure as well. So so what I mean is, you see these remove marbles? I kind of want to be able to remove them. Another thing, I think it should be smart to maybe think about more tags. That is something I want to kind of figure out. Figure out tags is a pretty good one. Okay, so I'm just gonna buy some marbles here. I think the more like there's rare ones, I will need some regular ones that are maybe a little different too. I wonder if score is being calculated how I'm expecting it to. I gotta double check on that. Because right now every marble has the same score point, but God, fuck you, man. What? I'm talking here and you just robbed me. That's crazy. Okay, cool. What just happened? Oh, that 1 was mine. Okay, so I have a score of 32. Imagine that. I will say, I kind of want to figure that out too. All the marbles in the correct hole. Let's go desktop, things to do. Okay. Let's go 8 here. Oh shit, I just gave him a, oh, okay. See, that's another reason that ended up just cooking me, man. That ended up cooking me. And it was mostly because I thought there was nothing there, but there was. 7 here. Okay. Take this. Take the 7, put it there. He needs to use one of these, please. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take this 3. Okay, this is fine. I'm gonna take this 2. He has to use this big one, please. Oh no, I lost. Man, it sucks, dude. It sucks. It sucks how good. So these games end the way they do, mostly because the opponent keeps having the same amount, and then I'm adding up like a motherfucker. Oh shit, wait. Oh, wait, the thing didn't get restart. Oh, okay, I gotta fix that. Hold up. No, like that's like a bug. Hold up. So you're saying that when game is not, or when game is restarted from the game over screen, current run marbles equals starting marbles. What happened there? How I'm thinking about it, this should just work. Unless starting marbles is like different. Let me see something. I'm gonna purposely lose, guys. I know it's gonna be hard for a Chad like me, but let's see. I'm just gonna go like this. We'll see if he can get me. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna. Hopefully he moves this one. Ooh, he takes here. Wait, I should probably win, get a bunch of marbles, then do this. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's steal. I go for the 2. Okay, go for the 2. Take 1. Go for 3. Let's go right here. 2. Okay, fire. I got 2 right here. Easy pickings. Okay, so I won here. Let's buy a bunch. So this is way more than 12. Up. 1, 2. 2 takes here. 3. 1, 2, 3. That one doesn't. So I'm just gonna move here. Oh, I just fucked it up. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is fine. Man, he cooked himself. Ooh, look at all this 4 that I'm leaving you. Oh shit. God damn it. I took it. With 4, I'm moving 4 here. I got an extra. I'm just gonna win. Take it, we'll take it. I'll keep the rest. I'll keep the rest if it's like a ton of money. Shop. I'll get a banana. Bro, banana doesn't seem to like work all the time. Wow, I had a lot there. Two times and it still hasn't procced. Shit. I think 1 and 4 is rare. Did I change it to 3? I had an idea of changing it to 1 over 3. It's interesting that CPU has its things, like shit, that was good. I'm telling you, this doesn't work. Dude, I haven't heard the slip once. Okay, I gotta make sure this is like actually working. Okay. God, I hate when it does that. 2 banana. Nothing. Crazy. Don't tell me I'm gonna win, bro. Okay, I got 12 here. Interesting. It's official. I think banana doesn't work. This has to be super rare then. It's weird. I got 2 here. Put 1 here, and then I can take this. Okay, I take this. He takes either one. Okay, just fine. I'm just gonna do the opposite so I can rob him. Dude, okay. I wanted to test if this would fail, and I'm actually cooking the fucking CPU right now. Fire. Just 0 here. I need to see, because check for effects, and like... Is it really not? Is it really not working? It's not hitting there. I did make a change, now that I remember. I'm wondering if the change affected it. Done. Okay, I got 3 here. All right, so right now, I guess the only thing I'm kind of thinking about is, number 1, we need to figure out why this is not kind of working as expected. And what I mean by that is, like, banana is not working for some weird reason. Or maybe I'm just getting really unlucky. It could be that. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's could be that. So let me just double check on something. So when I go to marble, I think it was here in scripts, I made it. Oh, marbles. Why is this a warning? Oh, I see, because it thinks it's a parameter. Yeah, dude, like, this isn't getting hit at all. Banana. So here's something I can try. Let's go to Mancala. It's gonna take a little bit, but I think this will be smart. I make it so every time you go in. Okay. Okay, I got cooked. All right, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, let's try it. Global data game step is dropped. So let's go to global data. Game step is currently dropped. Perfect. Last drop the marble does not equal null. Last drop marble. Is not null. Ooh, but look. It's imperfect. It's not. Okay. So now I know why. We have to do so much, a little bit, so much. We did a little bit of refactoring. Because we have to do this now for everything. So just because it works on the first time doesn't mean that it's going to work on the second time. And that's okay, but we got to make sure that this works. Okay, so it would be for next fall. It's anytime change look is done. Change look. Okay, I already did that. Okay. Right here. You see this? So let's go over here. Okay. So I need to make sure that this is correct, which I think it is. What's happening here? What's this warning about? Oh, okay. This is fine. I'll figure that out later. Okay, insatiated marble. Get that fixed up. Okay. Keep looking for change look. Okay, something. Same thing. This has already been done here. It's not being done here though. A little glitchy, but it worked. It's there. Okay. Okay. No. Drop marble. Where is this from? Mancala bag. Oh. No, this is fine. Game state manager. Bottom row. This is fine. Okay, we're chilling. Let's give it a try. Nice. So let's hit it with the 1. Let's hit it with the 1, 2. Let's hit it with the 1. And let's hit it with the 1, 2. Ooh, broken. Value of type string. What the heck do you mean? Value's empty. Okay. Damn, bro. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, it's definitely a flat capture. When it goes in here, it seems to fail. All right, let's see something. One of the things that I'm kind of like leaning towards is that for some reason, somewhere in the in-between where the marble gets grabbed, then dropped, and some of the actions are done, the instantiated marble is not being properly implemented. So let's kind of see this for now. So let's kind of see it from this angle first. This is for me, but this is all over. Well, I want to do this one too. This is the one that's important because there might be an effect. Oh, but wait. No, this is happening like on the capture level. Yeah. Oh, shit. Hold up. Yeah, if this is happening in the capture level, then somewhere in between the setup board. So let's go setup board. Capture's not working, then yeah, this is something not working. Just double check here. Okay, so marble is of I 0. This one. It's already no. Wait, why? Why are you already wrong? No wonder texture's there, but everything else is not. Price is 0. Why is price 0? Price shouldn't be 0. Global data. Sorry, all marbles. For score 1. Or cost, sorry. Give me a sec. Score. Text. Score and text. God, okay, let me close all these. Global data. And the one I'm on setup board. Okay, so it seems that right here, whenever I change the look and stuff, the marble that's there just doesn't have anything. The price is 0. The score is, oh, score is 1. This is correct then, I think. Cost. Seems to me that price, it should be price. But price is not being sent, so it's fine. Score is. Text is also. So I think it's working, but I can't be sure. So let's kind of go through. Okay, so at this point, instantiated marble should have everything that the other one had. So let's go to instantiated marble. Just standard marble, 0, 1, texture. Beautiful. Continue. 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 Okay. So if I capture, this already fails, bro. Like, why? Texture should work. Texture should work, like 100%. Texture should work, because texture is the one that gets sent over to this. Okay. Give me a sec, guys. I'm going to go get my burrito and eat. Yo, what's good, what's good, what's good? So, here's the thing. I've noticed that while I was getting my burrito, the fact that this is failing means that somewhere in between the act of getting the border, because the board works, like setting up the board works, they have the correct texture and everything. What throws me off seems to be that this is happening. So let's go. The only thing that I can think of is like the pickup state. So let's go here to pickup. Now let's see if this is working. Okay, so now it's pickup ready. So, instantiated marble. Texture's there. Effect is there. Price is 0. No. Okay. Right. So if I step over and I go back to the instantiated marble, it's empty. Okay, cool. As expected, it should be empty. So then when I go like this and I queue free it, go to the global data real quick. Go to marbles to be dropped. Yeah, this is still working. So this part is as expected. This is working perfectly. Okay, so now next whole state is the one that kind of looks funky now. So let's go to next whole state. So next whole state, insert. Marbles to be dropped. Find hole. So insert 6 top children. What's happening here? Top burger children. Check to see if it's true. Captured. And let's drop marble state. Oh. No. Wait, what? Oh, bro, what the fudge? Oh, no, I know, yeah. Current hole, L hole, right hole. If not, do this. And then you change the position. Change the look, do all that. So, first off, can we just get the marble, please? Texture. Time for effect. The marble. So something here seems to be fucking failing. That shouldn't be the case. That shouldn't be the case. Okay. Dropping marble. You have a texture. 0, 1, score. Okay. Instantiated marble, you have nothing right now. Except for the texture already for some reason. So step over. That's it. Instantiated marble, you now have nothing. You should have the score though. That's it. Score's 1. Yeah. Okay. Apply. Thingy. step is drop, and then dropping marble. So then you check for checks, yeah. Okay, same thing. Go again, go again. So 1, 2, 3. I want okay, so in this case, let's see it. Instantiated marble has texture, score of 1, of 0, but it should be blue, okay? Should be blue, guys. So let's step over. Now it should be blue. It is blue. Wow, crazy. Step over. Score, it should be 1. Oh my God, crazy, it works. So it's gonna continue. Okay, I'm gonna steal this. Okay, I'm gonna capture this. Dropping marble is purple, this is pink. Okay, we're on the same page here. So I then do 11 to step, or 10 to step over. Score should be the same, score is the same, guess what? It's awesome. Let's keep going, effect, effect, effect. Set ghost mode, check a valid pip, physics property, physics property, physics property, physics property. Shouldn't I have gone to check for effect state? Am I going crazy on that? I guess I am. So capture here. Capture. So with the capture, I'm going to step into, and then let's go here. Top row, marbles to be distributed. Opposite hole marbles duplicate. I have a bad feeling about this. It still works, dude. I don't get it. It still works. Oh, wait. Why does it do this? It just did it. It just set everything. Oh, no, it didn't. Or it did. It did. It created one. This one right here. Current hole, marble 0, duplicate. And this one is, might be the new one or something. I don't know. You know I got a marble at 7 a.m., bro. If I do it any later, it just ain't the real marbling. That's what's up. How you doing, bro? Welcome to the stream. Where right now I'm just eating. Yeah, I'm making a roguelike one color game. I'm struggling hella on a specific piece here. For some reason, my logic might be a little off. Me and Godot, we have like this working relationship where I try to do something like a deep duplication and a deep copy of something, and then it comes back and says, hey, actually, I'm not gonna do that. And then I'm there like, oh, okay, cool, thanks. I appreciate it. All right. I'm eating my burrito. I went hard. All right, let's do this. So, right now, I'm noticing something. I'm using this global data current hole marbles duplicate, and it seems to be failing. So, it seems to be failing because I'm not, from what I'm understanding, I'm not populating this marbles list. So let me see what the heck I gotta do here. I'm doing a whole lot of like duplicating, making current count, all that. I don't think I'm updating. Yeah, let's go, bro. I'm happy, man. I hope you're doing great, bro. I hope you're doing great in this amazing Wednesday. You know how it is, half of the week. 3 more days to go for the weekend. You know how it is, man. Okay, so there's a remove. I have a remove out here. But bro, I don't have like an update. Like I don't have something where I'm updating it. I have marbles to redrop, but not this. Bro, it's simple. You just gotta do the thing and connect it with the doodad, copy and paste, and load in those zones, and Alec gives that. And BizBop, and then, you know, do a 360, and then get on the top of Rust. Make sure you go on the ladder, you shoot, and then you press the throwing knife right at the same time so you can get the silent shot. No, trust me. You're kind of spitting. I get what you're saying. You're kind of spitting. Yeah, so like current hold right here is my current marbles. But when I kill the current marbles. But bro, how do I add it? Current hold marbles turns empty anyway at the end. Yeah, there's somewhere I think where current hole is getting updated. I don't know where. I gotta like take a look at it. I got a fat piece of the burrito I got left. I'm gonna meet real quick and eat it. All right. I'm free. I'm free from the food. What's up, pal? What's happening here, man? Why are you failing? Who is populating you? Because to me, it doesn't seem like anybody is. Set up board and then you check for effect. Current turn state. Move requested here. Current index. Pick a marble state, so first thing that happens. Ah, current hole becomes this. Right here. Okay. Current hole becomes I, which is the hole, which makes sense. Which begs the question, are we populating this correctly. Every time there's a drop or removal. Current hole marbles equals current marbles now. Make some updates, erase it. 45 years. That's crazy. 45 years is nuts, bro. That's what it is, bro. That's what it takes. Sometimes the wisdom of our old folks, you know, programming for those 45 years, they hit, man. They hit. That's what it takes sometimes, bro. Have you ever heard of like the rubber ducky? It's this kind of like idea where you just like when you're coding and you're stuck, you kind of talk about it with somebody, and even just the act of talking about it with somebody kind of gets you, like, it kind of helps you retrace your steps and understand maybe where the pain point is. It's pretty cool. That's why I'm streaming, just so I can rubber ducky either with myself or like the stream. It helps. Like for this example, where I have no clue how things are working in a specific way. If this duplicate equals null, then pass. But if it doesn't, shouldn't I put an else statement here? Doesn't pass just like go to the next one? I do not know. Q free. If you put a Q free here, for I in the current, then it goes in the current hole and removes it. Remove at 0. Hold on. Why am I just sending 0? Why? Oh, because remove 0 will pull it in and then keep removing. I guess, sure. It's weird, but it is what it is. Nice try, man. But these are lines of code, not rubber duckies. Hey, you don't know that. You don't know that one bit. You don't know what you're looking at, nor do you know the lemonade that the person is trying to sell on the front gate. You know what I'm saying? You don't know that. You don't know if the lemonade is lemonade if you didn't know what I'm saying. We just trust the youth. We trust the youth in understanding that they are selling the lemonade that we think they are. But in actuality, it could be something else. They could be using apples instead of lemonade. Instead of lemons. You ever think about that? Huh? You ever think about that? Yeah, I didn't think so. I didn't think so. Update Sigma, bro. There ain't no Ligma here. Let's check out what's happening here, bro. It's only, okay, so it's only on capture. It's only on capture this is failing, because everything else seems to work. But boom, capture happens. You step into it. I step over, step over, step over, step over. I do this stuff, I guess, yeah. Initiated marble, I add it. I give it the stuff it needs. Opposite hole finds the other marble, removes it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. The value of string, because new value is empty. Because apparently, here, where it's called change look, and it's the last one. It's the last one. It's the last one. I'm telling you, it's this issue right here. It's this global data current hole marbles that's failing right now. So even duplicating it doesn't matter. Duplicating doesn't matter. It's duplicating an empty, what seems to be an empty thing. Why are you empty, bro? I just placed you. So if like I placed you, you should be full. If I just dropped you, you should already have values there. Then you add the marble into the current hole. It's right here. Just rewrite it, bro. Man, you're right. I started like Cloudbuster sorting you. I like cut you in half. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's happening. I gotta use my secondary brain. My zip zap brain. Because your boy's struggling right now. Not gonna lie. Current hole, add marbles. I go and I add the marbles, right? So that means that this should already have the marbles by this point. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna check right here. And I wanna make sure this shit is right. Okay? Watch this. This is a perfect example. Or not. Okay, so right here, I got a capture. Boom, boom. Current hole, instantiated marble. Guess what? You have one, you have a texture, everything. Right. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So then if I go F10, yeah, so if I go F10 and I'm like, okay, here's the current hole, here's instantiated marble. If I go here and I go to current hole, and I go to array, I go to object, 1, 0, texture. It's there. Oh, it's there. Is it F10? Okay. Bro, what happens? What happens in between this? Because, oh, never mind. It waits for the animation. It waits for the animation. Okay, so obviously I'm here having to wait for this. Oh, you know what though? Where was I? I was in drop marble, right? Let's do this. Continue. Bam. Then I go F10. Switches. It fails. What the hell, man? What do you mean? Oh. Well, it seems to me like we reached the end of today's stream. Curses, man. Foiled again by the establishment. Definitely an issue here that I gotta like figure out and stuff, but nothing a little bit of elbow grease tomorrow can't fix. I'll be able to have this done by tomorrow. For tomorrow's stream. Yo. I appreciate every single one of you who passed by today. I appreciate anybody who's watching this on the YouTube VODs. A lot of good stuff working out here. I'm a little stuck, but we ended up making a cool list about all the things that I gotta fix up, so. I appreciate every single one of you, man. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing rest of the week. I'll see you on Friday. To whomever wants to come.